Today, I am going to present my seminar on Vastu Shastra, an Indian architectural science under the subject Indian Knowledge System, also known as IKS. Vastu Shastra is one of the oldest architectural science in India. It explains how buildings and spaces can be designed in harmony with nature, direction, energy, and the environment. In this presentation, I will explain the principle of Vastu Shastra, its scientific aspects, its role in ancient Indian architecture, and its relevance in the modern world. So let's begin. First, let us understand what Vastu Shastra also actually means. The word Vastu means dwelling on site, and Shastra means science or knowledge. So Vastu Shastra literally means the science of construction and the living space. It is believed to be more than 5000 years old and is deeply rooted in ancient Indian Vedic traditions. References to Vastu Shastra are found in the texts such as Rig Veda, Atharva Veda, and Manasara. In ancient India, Vastu principles were used in construction of temples, palaces, houses, and even in cities. The main purpose of Vastu Shastra was to create buildings that supported human health, peace, prosperity, and harmony with the nature. Vastu Shastra is based on the concept of five natural elements, also called as the Panchabhutas. These five elements are earth, water, fire, air, and space. According to Vastu, these elements should remain balanced within a building environment. Another important concept is direction. Each direction, such as north, south, east, and west, is associated with a specific type of energy and purpose. The northeast direction is considered very positive because it is believed to allow cosmic energy to the entire building. Vastu also uses a specific planning method called the Vastu Purusha Mandala, which is a grid system used for designing building according to the energy flow and the balance. One of the most interesting thing about Vastu Shastra is that many of its principles have scientific reasoning. For example, each facing room receives more morning sunlight. This reduces the need for artificial lighting and also provides the vitamin D. Vastu also focuses on proper ventilation and airflow. Opening in the north and east direction allow cool air circulation and improve indoor air quality. Traditional houses use thick wall and courtyards to reduce heat and maintain thermal comfort naturally. Vastu also promotes environmental balance by properly placing gardens, water bodies, and open spaces. So many Vastu principles are actually climate responsive and environmentally sustainable. Vastu Shastra played a major role in ancient Indian architecture. Many temples were built along the east-west axis so that sunlight directly reaches the deity during the sunrise. Famous examples include the Brihadishwara temple in Tamil Nadu and Kornak Sun temple in Odisha. Traditional Indian houses were designed with central courtyards called angan for better ventilation and cooling. The kitchen was usually placed in the southeast direction, which is associated with fire. Even city planning followed the Vastu principle. Ancient Indian cities like Mohenjo-daro and Jaipur used grid layouts aligned with cardinal direction for proper organization and movement. Even today, Vastu Shastra continues to influence modern architecture. Many people consult Vastu experts for before constructing homes, offices, and commercial buildings. Modern architecture are also combining Vastu principle with sustainable architecture. For example, each facing building reduce electricity usage by using the natural daylight. Courtyard design help to reduce air conditioning requirements and provide cooling naturally. Vastu also encourages the use of natural materials like wood, stone, and clay, which are environmentally friendly. This shows that ancient Indian architectural knowledge has still practical value in the modern construction. Vastu Shastra has many advantages. It promotes natural lighting, proper ventilation, energy efficiency, and healthy living spaces. It also reflects deep understanding of climate and environmental conditions. However, Vastu also faces criticism today. Some practices are considered superstitious and do not have scientific proof. In some cases, Vastu is commercialized and misused. Also, strict Vastu rules may not suit every climate or modern urban environment. Therefore, it is important to separate the scientific and practical aspect from blind benefits and rituals. Vastu Shastra is an important part of the Indian knowledge system. It represents centuries of Indian wisdom related to architecture, environment, climate, and human well being. It also reflects the Indian idea that humans should live in harmony with nature and cosmic forces. Today, the IKS curriculum helps students to understand that in ancient India had advanced knowledge system in many fields such as mathematics, medicine, astronomy, and architecture. Studying Vastu Shastra helps us preserve and appreciate this rich intellectual heritage of India. To conclude, Vastu Shastra is a very ancient architectural science that combines environmental awareness, design principles, and traditional knowledge. Its concept of natural elements, energy flow, sunlight, and ventilation have practical and scientific importance even today. Vastu influenced Indian temple, home, and city planning for thousands of years. Many of its principles are now connected with modern sustainability and eco friendly architecture. Therefore, instead of treating Vastu only as superstitious, we should understand its scientific and cultural significance. Vastu Shastra teaches us that architecture should always remain connected with the nature and human well being. Thank you everyone for listening my presentation. I hope this seminar helped you to understand the importance of Vastu Shastra as a part of the Indian knowledge system. I, GM Gayatri from CSD D section. Thank you.